Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I wanted to talk about why I find it hard to open up really, because although I've started YouTube recently and talking about all sorts of things and I've opened up quite a lot about myself, I find it very hard to do that, and it's obviously something I've felt most of my life. I'm not sure if other people with autism can relate to it or not, as of course everyone is different, but for me it takes a lot of courage for me to open up about things that sometimes I feel with my disability, purely because I can't get the words out, or I don't know what to say, or I deliberately hold something back because I don't know whether or not people would just take advantage of that I've got a disability or not. And it's really quite brain freeze. Not brain freeze, brain fade then. But it's really quite, it's basically quite a bit strange. But oh well, that's the way it is sometimes. But hopefully as I get more on YouTube and do more of these videos, I can open up over time and be more open with myself and just explain things that are on my mind a bit better instead of holding them back. But yeah, sometimes I worry if I say something, somebody will take advantage. I mean, it's happened before, where I've told someone I've had a disability and they've kind of used me or manipulated me, and that's unfortunately not very nice. And unfortunately that happens because there are some people like that in the world, and it's not very nice. Luckily I feel in a lot better position these days to open up and talk. Obviously with YouTube still being the new thing, I'm struggling to get used to it, but one day I'll get there. Maybe I'll be the next KSI. Joking. JJ, I got nothing on you, fam. But it's just, you have to make sure that when you do open up, that people will have the right intentions. Luckily, when I started Twitch, although unfortunately there has been a few bad moments, there's also been a lot of positive moments as well, and I'm very lucky to have made some lifelong friends from that. When I do performing, either at the performing arts course I did, or the theatre company I'm currently at, and I told them that I've got a disability, they really accept me for who I am, and their best intentions are to help me. So that's very good. But I don't know, I'm still a bit worried that some people will take advantage of me, because as I've learnt firsthand throughout my life, there are some real dicks in this world. Apologies for the language, but there are some real dicks, and they will take advantage of you. But hopefully, now that I've learnt the hard way, I know how to deal with those type of people in the future. And I'm very excited to see what the future could potentially be. With the more people I trust, the more and more I'll open up. And I think maybe YouTube is going to give me that confidence as well to open up, because the more I open up, then maybe the more people who are watching this, my target audience, whether it's non-autistic people wanting to learn about autism or autistic people wanting someone to relate to, hopefully this when I get more confident with YouTube, I can open up and hopefully help a few more people who are probably in the same position as me. So yeah, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll be a lot better in the future at opening up. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I have a few more videos planned next week, including a second Twitch LOLs video, something else talking about something else with autism, a Formula E video, but also next week, which I'm hoping to get a few of you involved watching this. So comment down below if you want to take part. Is I'm going to do a Q&A, and you can ask me literally anything you want, whether it be about my disability, whether it be about my hobbies of racing or performing, whatever you want, you can ask me, and then I'll just do a video on that as well. So I'm hoping to get some questions in for that, and also I'm hoping to, I've got new equipment here as well, so I'm hoping to be using that by the next video I do. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and like I say, I hope I can open up a bit more with these videos and hopefully help one person out there. Then my life is complete. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you everyone, and goodbye.